that's kind of annoying. Always unexpected ways about doing things. This is goofy. Just having the copper going on above the floor, so a new shower pan, that's not going to work. We're going to have to refinagle some of this stuff. And we also have to put a new drain assembly anyways, but yeah, that's kind of a Mickey Mouse way of doing this. I'm not sure why they went that route. Okay, so since this is so far in the wall or in the joist bay, it's really tough to get a crimping tool in this scenario. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just use some copper elbows, bring them up into the wall. So we're going to go ahead and cut this further back. Just remember which side was hot and which side was cold. This was the cold side, this was the hot side. But we're just going to stub them up and then we'll convert the PEX inside the wall. Okay, so this little guy is pretty nice to have, just basically able to sand the pipe. So it really cleans it really nice. And you also have the adapter end to clean your fittings as well. So it makes it really nice and clean. We put our PEX adapters. Okay, so we're gonna have to drill some holes in our studs here. Okay, so use a little bit of Flux and just make sure you coat the entire fit or the pipe. Make sure every spot is covered. So put a little flame guard here. I'm going to use the lead-free solder. And you want to heat the fitting. I like using the MAP gas, so your yellow container heats it up faster. So we'll just put a random length on here for now. Use one of these caps so we can get the water back on. Okay, so now we can go ahead and get the water back on, and then we'll connect all that valve after we get our shower pan in.